guys, Miss Emily here. Today, Kian and I are going to be making bagel or muffin pizzas. Making meals together is a really great way for children to gain self-help skills, as well as talk about math concepts such as more or less, bigger, smaller, as well as counting and measurement. So the very first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have clean hands. So what you're going to do is you're going to wet your hands under the water, scrub with soap for 20 seconds, and rinse. Then we're going to preheat our oven to 425. My oven is already preheated. Then we're going to cut the bagels or the muffins. Today we're using English muffins. And parents, this is a really great way, a great opportunity for your child to use a knife, to touch a knife under your supervision. So right now Kian is going to cut the bagel in half. Here, hold it with one hand. Pick it up. Pick it up with this hand. And then we're going to slice it down the middle.
Ooh, that's a good thing to do.
Yeah.
Are we making
Pizza.
Okay.
All right, we got
Pizza.
that one done. What about this one? Can you hold this one? And let's slice it together down the middle. Good job. Almost there.
Why are we making 3?
We're making 4.
Why?
Watch. All right, so now we're gonna place them on our baking sheet and we're gonna count them as we go. Place 1, 1, 2, 3,
and 4.
4. Good job. So then we're going to spread the sauce on our muffins. So Kian, I have 2 cups here. Which one is bigger? Which one is bigger?
Sauce.
You think the sauce one is bigger? Why?
Because it's hot. Cheese.
Which one do you think can hold more things?
Cheese.
The cheese one? I think so too because it's bigger, right? All right, so we're gonna take this and we're gonna take our spoon and we're gonna scoop some sauce onto our muffins. Lots of sauce on there. Woo.
I want to do it this time.
Okay. Oh, that's a lot of sauce. Good job. You're making circles with the back of your spoon. Yep, pour it on. Good job. One more. Awesome. All right, Mommy's gonna put some on there too. So what do you think is next, Kian? We put the sauce on. What do you think we need that's next?
Cheese.
Cheesy. All right, so let's scoop some cheese on top of our muffins.
But not do that with stars.
Come on, scoop some cheese. Ooh, I like a lot of cheese. Do you like a little cheese or a lot of cheese?
A lot of cheese.
A lot of cheese.
I eat a lot of cheese at my school.
You eat a lot of cheese at your school?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Make sure you don't get all of it because I want to eat some of it.
Ooh, we're gonna eat all of it. Now it's ready to go in the oven. So you'll put it in the oven for about 5 minutes until the cheese is melted.